Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to swap a Google Thermostat. First, gather model info and Wi-Fi details so you don't interrupt setup later. Turn off the HVAC power at the breaker to protect wiring and your unit. Remove the thermostat cover with a screwdriver. Keep screws and base plate. Label each wire with the provided stickers. This saves time and prevents errors. Once done, photograph the wiring for backup. Make sure the Google Home app is installed on your phone before proceeding to the next step. You'll now remove wires from the old thermostat and map them to the new one. Work carefully. Pull each labeled wire straight out and tuck it aside. Compare the letters R, W, Y, G, C against the new thermostat's compatibility list to verify jumper settings. Insert each wire into the corresponding terminal on the new base until it clicks. This ensures solid contact. Once all wires are placed, mount the base to the wall using the original screws and restore HVAC power to test for. With power restored, follow the on-screen instructions to pair the thermostat with your Google account and connect to Wi-Fi. This enables scheduling and remote control. Run manual heat and cool tests to confirm each stage engages and check that the C-wire supplies steady 24V power. Without it, the thermostat may not charge. If anything fails, first recheck wire placements and the breaker, then update the Google Home app and thermostat firmware. If problems persist, note error codes and contact support with your photos and wiring labels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.